Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog, and I'd like to invite you to join me on thechilidog.com for my next skill building knit along. We'll be making my Butterfly Kisses ear warmer and the matching fingerless mitts. Throughout the knit along, I'll be sharing lessons demonstrating some helpful skills you can add to your knitter's toolbox. Some of the topics I'll be covering are the provisional cast on with waste yarn, Kitchener joining, raised or make one increasing, and how to knit a neat and tidy thumb. I'll also be sharing tips about how to do the long tail cast on and traditional bind off in the round. For more information about the event, head on over to thechilidog.com and search for the Butterfly Kisses KAL. And make sure to follow me at the Chili Dog on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.